Yay. All right. All right, kids, I'm certainly not bored by this chapter. All right. All right. So this will be pretty normal. It's called rational exponent equations. So for example, you're going to use your calculator like crazy today. And it truly, this is a Good Friday lesson because it's an easy lesson. All right. When we were solving a square root, when we had square root of x equals 5, what did we do to both sides? We squared it. We squared it. Excellent. We squared it. Excellent, excellent. We squared it. All right. And I bet yesterday, I reminded you that x, the square root of x is same as x to the 1/2 power. Did I remember to do that? Yeah. Cool. And then when I showed you why squaring gets rid of it, I think I showed you by doing this, because you take 1/2 times 2. So in today's excellently easy lesson, we do the following. If we have something to the 5/2 power, 5/2 times something multiplies to be 1. Hi, Mr. Pizzini.
Mr. Hogan, how are you?
We now had a bonus person join us.
Well, today is the last day of Teacher Appreciation Week, so we have a cart filled with donuts. We have a cart filled that also has coffee and juice. If you take a moment for yourself to come on out.
You can do whatever you want.
That too looks like one of those little twisted donuts we have.
Oh, it's like the best teacher appreciation day ever. No, it's actually you people appreciate me well. Got that. Got a card from 5th hour. I like those buttons. And the seniors so nicely invited me to their graduation. So it actually, I felt appreciated this week. So cool, cool. By the way, I'm going to eat that donut in front of you, just so you know. Okay. All right. 5/2 times something equals 1. What would that be? Flip it, flip it. It'll be 2/5, of course. So if we take this to the exponent of 2/5 and this to the exponent of 2/5, that multiplies to be 1. Please just use your calculator. It is 27. The up arrow, make sure you have it in, parentheses, the 2/5 in parentheses. And it should just spit the answer out to you. It should just spit the answer out to you. Is it a weird answer? Give me the first few decimals.
3.737.
Nice, nice. Do you actually agree it sounds easy? Cool. All right, all right, all right. Before you do a problem, and you do any of that squaring or the 5/4 power or whatever it happens to be, make sure you get the exponent-y thing as alone as possible. So add 1 to both sides, add 1 to both sides. That's going to be a pretty big number. Let's see, 36x to the 1/7. And this is in parentheses. This is in parentheses. You got to keep it in parentheses. Don't be stupid like me. Now, we simply take it to which power? To the 7th power. That's probably going to be a big number. I better do it myself. So what do these two do? The 1/7, the 7, they simply just like get rid of each other, say yep. And that part just becomes 36x. Yep. And then now that I got my calculator up and running, morning. And 68. 435. 456. And then just divide both sides by 36. Say yep. All right. And I don't know if we get that as a decimal number or not. $7,456,540.444 repeating. Who is the best kid in here? What is 0.444 repeating in decimal? In fraction. That's a decimal. Point one repeating is what? 2 repeating is 2/9. 3 repeating is 3/9, which we often would reduce to. What's 0.444 repeating? Probably 4/9. 5 repeating. 5 6 7. You get the idea? Hey, no calculators. Maybe we done this. That's a time sign. What's 1 times 1? Nice job. 11 times 11. 111 times 111. No calculator. What do you think it is?
1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wasn't that pretty cool? Heck yeah. Heck yeah, heck yeah. Where am I? Who knows? All right, yeah. You're laughing at me, not with me. All right, here we go. Last one, and then we'll be fine. Last one, then we'll be fine. And then we're being done with this chapter. All right, and then on the review, the difficulty of the review will be the difficulty of the test. All right, and let's do this one. All right, please, as alone as possible, get your exponent. All right, so it's just really one trick today. Taking something to the 5/4, you would multiply it to what exponent to make it into a 1? Take it to the 4/5. Take it to the 4/5. This is awesome. This multiplies an exponent of 1. And then make sure when you do your 32 and your exponent, make sure you put that exponent in parentheses of the 4/5. Could you do that to the 0.8? Could you do that? Yeah, it seems right. Equals 16. Take away 8. There you are. Well, that was pretty exciting.